Hello everyone, this is your professor, Amy John, recording a video for you for today, October 8th. I want to sincerely apologize. I am not allowed to be on Canvas out of an abundance of caution. I've had cold symptoms since yesterday, and talking with the vice president, we both felt it was probably best not to expose you to any germs at all, even though I don't suspect that I have COVID. I have not experienced a high fever or anything, just cold and allergy symptoms. So to keep everybody safe, I am home and I apologize for the inconvenience. We will be meeting as long as everyone is healthy, meaning as long as I'm healthy, 2 weeks from now on October 22nd. So I'll look forward to meeting you all face to face then. So in the meantime, I've put together some information for you, and I'm going over some things that we would have gone over in class today. So in order to start the course, obviously you've logged into Canvas, and your screen should look like this when you log in. And if you haven't used Canvas before, there's just some resources here that are great to help you navigate your way and figure out kind of what you're doing on Canvas. What I'd like you to do is to go through the steps in the Start Here area where you'd read the syllabus, confirm your attendance and agree to the syllabus, familiarize yourself with the course, and this is a resource just for any important questions that you might have. So what I'd like you to do before the end of the day Sunday is to start on our Week 1 information. You will see the Week 1 overview here, and this gives you exactly what you need to do to achieve our Week number 1 goals. So I've given a syllabus quiz available. I want you to introduce yourself on the discussion board. I'll show you where that is. And then I would like you to fill out the class questions. So going back, that's our overview. Introductions. This is where you will introduce yourself on the discussion board. And this is a spot where the rest of your classmates are able to see. You will see that I've started by introducing myself, and then I'm asking you to go and share what you're comfortable sharing with the class. Once you've read the syllabus, I'd like you to take this syllabus quiz, which is found here, and then I would like you to complete the class questions. This counts as an assignment, but I am not grading you on your answers. I'm just grading you that you have done it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to have you move into some of these readings where we're defining psychology, talking about contemporary psychology, looking at education and careers in psychology, psychological research as well as ethics, and how to read research. Those are the things that I'd like you to complete by the end of the day Sunday. Then we're going to move into Week 2, which begins on Monday. And I'll be updating with more videos and PowerPoint for you as well in the meantime. So what I'd like you to do is complete the discussion board by next Thursday, as well as then do some discussion board responses. And you'll see that those are described right in the discussion board section. You're going to complete assignment number 2, and I need to change the date on that because that is not due until next week. And then you're going to start reading some of the information with regards to our other areas of psychology that we're going to be covering. And I would like you to then look at just this. I will update this. This is week number 3 where we're going to be meeting in class in room 172 on the Claremont campus. And I will update this section as soon as I am able to. I had to move some things around last minute because I wasn't able to be on campus. I needed to update our syllabus, which I'm finishing right now, and I wanted to make this quick video for you. But please, one of the most important things that you do need to know is that you need to use your school email, and you also need to check the announcements. The announcements can get sent right to your email address, and that is what I'll be updating, and that's how I'll communicate with you regularly. As always, please email me if you have any questions at all. And I look forward to meeting you all. And again, I'm sincerely apologize for having to cancel our face-to-face class today.